Ya.
How are you doing, guys? Bull Sniper here. Today's game mode is King of the Hill. The street I'm trying to take divides the field in two, so it's very important to have it under control.
Que no le quiero disparar, tío, que solo se le ve la cara y le voy a hacer polvo, y no tiene ni buca ni nada. Ahí.
Today I'm using my new M48-3 stock for my VSR 10. All the details are in the video description.
Nada. Vale, está ahí.
Que nos quedamos sin baja, nos quedamos sin gente.
Yo no, yo me voy a esperar, que salga.
Vente para acá, corre.
Si tengo un multicam, pero... Ahora sí, muerto.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
We changed sides and now I'm trying to run as fast as I can to take the same street. From here I have the enemies on range, but due to the elevation of their spots, they can also hit me, so I have to be very silent to not attract their attention. And now I notice that something is going wrong. My babies are flying to the moon due to the elevation of the field, so I'm going to adjust the hope up to get those enemies in the house.
Voy a bajarle un poquillo el hop para que haga así.
Much better. And now please pay attention to what happened after I hit this guy. His glasses went down. He was lucky that I was a sniper who shots one single BB. If I had been an assault rifle and I have shot in full auto, this guy would have one eye less. Safety is the most important thing in Airsoft, so please use good quality eye protection, guys.
Ha caído. Sí, sí.
Sí, te copio aquí mejor. ¿Se va? ¿Se va? ¿Que si has acabado? Nada. Intento que salga una...
Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, play safe, have fun, and see you on the next gameplay.